Good evening. As the senior track and field season continues to warm up, one of the clearest things in my mind is that Elaine Thompson will be very hard to beat at this summer's World Championships in London. In 3 meets that Thompson has competed in so far over the last 2 weeks, the double Olympic sprint champion has sent strong warnings to all challengers that she's here to stay. Her wind-aided 10.75 seconds done while slowing to the finish line at the UTEC Classic on April 16 showed that she was again in good form after a stellar 2016 season. That run was followed up by impressive ankle legs at the World Relays over 4x200 meters in the Bahamas, and then on Saturday at the Penn Relays, where she quickly made up a 5-meter deficit to take Jamaica to victory in the 4x100 meters in a season's best 42.25 seconds. Now, Thompson, who rose to prominence by taking the World 200-meter silver in 2015 in Beijing, was clear for all to see. And her improvements in 2016 showed that she was no fluke. And based on the evidence of her improvements in her starting department this year and her explosive speed, one gets the feeling that Coach Stephen Francis's plans for her to become the first Jamaican female in the exclusive 10.6 second club from last season is very likely to happen this year. At 10.70 seconds, Thompson is the joint 4th fastest woman of all time, along with the sprint queen, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. One would not be surprised if 24-year-old Thompson goes below the 10.64 seconds done by American Carmelita Jeter in 2009, which ranks as the second best time among female athletes in history. I can't wait for the season to swing into high gear. I'm Keon Reyna. Good evening.